Historic women in math. Marie-Sophie Germain lived April 1, 1776 to June 27, 1831. Her parents did not want her studying, so they would deny her fire and warm clothes. That did not stop her. She would smuggle in candles and wrap herself in quilts to read books she obtained from her father's library. She taught herself Greek and Latin to be able to read classical math texts. She was not able to attend lectures due to being a woman and middle class, since it was only socially acceptable for aristocratic women to be taught the sciences and mathematics, so that they were able to talk about it casually with friends. Sophie was able to obtain lecture notes from the university for several of the courses, and she studied from them. Sophie submitted a paper to J.L. Lagrange under a different name which sounded to be like a male's. He was amazed to find out that the author of the work was a female and became her mentor. Now with a male to introduce her, she was able to enter the circle of scientists and mathematicians, which she could not do before. Her pioneering theories on elasticity helped build the Eiffel Tower. She was an amazing French mathematician, physicist and philosopher who died at the age 55 due to breast cancer. Émilie du Châtelet was alive from December 17, 1706 to September 10, 1749. Born to a well-off family, her father was a member of the lesser nobility. She was the only girl of 6 siblings. Her father recognized her brilliance at an early age, and by the age 10 her father had arranged for Fontenelle to visit to talk about astronomy. By the age 12 she was fluent in Latin, Italian, Greek and German. At the age of 18 she married an army man and later had an affair with Voltaire. In 1737, after months of conducting research in secret, she entered a contest sponsored by the French Academy of Sciences on the nature of light, heat and fire. Submitting her paper and her dissertation, she suggested that different colors of light carried different heating power and anticipated the existence of what is now known as infrared radiation. She did not win the contest, but her paper was published and was positively received by the scientific community. She developed a strong interest in the work of Isaac Newton. Thus Émilie and Voltaire jointly wrote a book, Elements of Newton's Philosophy, which explained Newton's astronomy and optics in a clear manner for a wide French readership. Only Voltaire's name appeared on the book. One of her most important contributions to science was her clearly explaining the concepts of energy and energy conservation by performing an experiment where she dropped heavy lead balls into clay, suggesting energy is proportional to mv squared, not mv like Newton said. Her greatest work was done pregnant. She was pregnant at the age of 42, which was extremely dangerous back then, so she began working on her biggest project, a French translation of Newton's Principia. Émilie du Châtelet passed away 6 days after giving birth. Those were just 2 amazing women who helped contribute to science, technology, engineering and math, and here are a few more amazing women who have also contributed. Thank you for watching.